Hi! In front of me is Thomson Tablet 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, just disable this one. Go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. Then click on it in the same settings and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!